Hello students, assessment March 2024 model question paper class 5 subject environment science marks 40 time 2 hours. Here are the question paper. Later I will show you the answers. Class 5 subject TVS model paper 2024. First question, it is a suitable pair for food from plant source. Answer is C, cereals, vegetables. Second one, a boy had obesity problem from which of the doctor suggestion its elimination is not possible. D, unusual consumption of junk food. Third one, the right statement represents an independent house. Answer is A, building in which only one family resides. Fourth one, ice cube, arrow mark water vapor. The correct flow chart that represents above process is, answer is C, solid. When solid heat, liquid heat, gas. Fifth one, cooking oil is accidentally added to water in a vessel at home. The effect and reason of this process is, answer is D, oil above the water due to low density of oil. Sixth one, it is an example of natural element. Answer is D, soil. Water is also natural element. Seventh one, when iron and sulfur are mixed, they retain their original properties. Then the substance formed belongs to this group. Answer is A, compounds. Eighth one, the form of energy that is commonly used in working of TV remote. Answer is B, bioenergy. Some activities in column X and energy sources conserved by this is in column Z are given. The mismatched one among them is, answer is D, less usage of mobile phone, chemical energy. Question number 10. The nearest planet to the sun is, answer is B, Mercury. Question number 11. Unusually wide and long valleys in the lower Himalayas is, answer is D, dune valleys. Question number 12. This is not an union territory. Answer is B, Puducherry. Question number 13. Suggest two different methods with examples to preserve food items in house where there is no cold storage facilities. Answer. If no fridge in houses, we can preserve food by heating again and again. In grain, we can put some cloths, then the grains can't attack by insects. Vegetables can store in clean cloths and spread on floor. 14th, a village was awarded for best village for for eligible features. The village streets should be very clean, no illegal activities done in that village. The people in the village are educated, well manners, well behaved. In that village, the government buildings should be improved well. 15. Question number 15. What are the two properties of matter? Color, density, volume, mass. Question number 16. If you add salt to a vessel completely filled with sambar, sambar does not spill out. Why? Number 17. Give 4 examples of compounds. Sugar or sucrose, C-tolu, H-tolu, O11. Table salt, sodium chloride, NaCl. Water, H2O. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Question number 18. Mention 4 works that can be done by muscular energy. Lift things, Do physical activities, kicking a ball, lifting a bag to carry it on your shoulder. Fill in the table with appropriate answers. Form of energy, form of changed energy, activity. Muscular energy, mechanical energy, lifting a heavy thing. Electrical energy, magnetic energy, rotation of fan. Solar energy, heat energy, drying up cereals. Fuel energy, heat energy, car driving. Draw the diagram of solar system. Mark the following celestial bodies. A. Red planet. B. Uranus. Name any 4 rivers of our state. Godavari, Tungabhadra, Ghataprabha, Arkavati. Question number 22. List any 4 awards given to the great personalities or achievers at national level from the Government of India. Bharat Ratna Award, Ashoka Chakra, Paramveer Chakra, Dronacharya Award. Question number 23. List 4 features that are helpful for the formation of architecture in the plains. Some early square and rectangular houses like this. The answer is